here, and then look what.
All right. Can you tell me what you've experienced over the last, it's been 1 week, right?
Yes, sir. 1 week here. It's been a total change. Pretty big difference. You can see from the last video.
Pushed about that much, man.
Yeah. I think whenever we started, they were barely pushing up the top of here. And I've raised this a little bit too. The bottom was a little bit also.
Have you ever experienced this much growth in a week?
No.
Ever with anything?
No, not in any.
Have you ever used anything that's been this significant of a change? Because you had it dialed in when we came here.
Yeah, pretty much. With the early veg stage, like here, it was pretty much there.
Bro, look at them, how much they're kicking leaves.
We usually don't do that.
Wow. Look at that dark green color, guys. VPD Pros, baby. Significant change. Look at all that wonderful humidity coming from down there. Look at that. Just swooping down and getting in your pants. Look at that.